So, what is a little bit different about us or that kind of marks us out? Well, number one, we have rapid development capability. So, we pride ourselves on being agile. That goes hand in hand with being a turnkey partner. And what we mean by that is being able to go from a completely clean sheet right through to a validated prototype system with the ability to do all of the virtual verification and validation as well as the physical. So we can really close the loop on all of the simulation and all the analytical work that we're doing and then hand that off to our client. And again, we'll come on and elaborate on that a little bit more. Knowledge transfer is a big deal for us. So it's one thing to go and deliver a design or a specific service for someone, but all of the underlying processes, methodologies, how we've used the tools to get to where we've got to is, of course, really important knowledge. So people come to us for that knowledge transfer very often. And very frequently, we have our engineers co located with our clients, whether that's at their facility, sometimes it's at ours, sometimes it's even both. Flexibility is kind of our byword to help people push forward. Global reach, I've kind of already touched on, and technology agnostic. Mike had mentioned kind of our very first beginnings, really, all in fired engine combustion. That's something we still very much carry through now, but over the years we've broadened our portfolio in terms of capabilities, in terms of technologies. So when we think about propulsion, particularly, it's piston engines, rotary engines, with whatever kind of fuel you might want to imagine. It's hydrogen fuel cells. Um, Hydrogen ice, and then of course as well electric motor, power electronics, battery technology. So really anything from energy storage right through to wheel, propeller, turbine, track, whatever it might be, is something that we can touch and that we can engineer together for people. And then lastly, completing this wheel is IP ownership. Again, that keeps us quite, I say, easy and accessible to work with, whether that is for a new engineering startup who are obviously trying to get started up, develop IP and kind of get to market, or very often on the government side as well, which is a huge part of what we do. The government want that IP ownership. So again, we don't do any kind of licensing or holding on to IP. It keeps us very easy to kind of turn the faucet on and off. Keeps us easy and accessible for people.